10 local businesses from around the city came together for a pop-up event in East Williamsburg. You can see right there where they showcased all of their amazing products. And News 12's Lindsay Tanny was at the event, and she gives us an inside look into how these small business owners are making a large impact in the community.
Nina Reynolds was tired of finding harsh chemicals in her products, so she started making her own and turned it into a business called Nina K Naturals. She said it's been a journey.
Owning your own business is a roller coaster. It is something that you have to stay very consistent with, and consistency definitely starts with discipline and persistence.
That consistency brings us to today. The Brooklyn native is celebrating 5 years in business. And what better way to do so than by hosting a pop-up event and inviting other small local businesses to lift each other up.
The small business is the heart of the economy in our local community.
Business owners brought it all. From sweet treats to jewelry to clothing, skincare, even immunity boosters. Community members exploring what creativity has to offer.
The energy is very inviting, very calm, very subtle.
I asked these small business owners what they would say to someone who's thinking about starting their own.
It's a wonderful opportunity to tap into your creative juices and understanding that we all have talents and gifts, regardless of what, we could put it to use.
And as Reynolds said before, aside from talent, you need discipline and persistence. Because it's not easy.
I feel grateful that I still have the passion and drive. A lot of entrepreneurs would have gave up a long time ago with the struggles that they go through in their own business, with finances.
Now Reynolds tells me she hopes this event inspires people to support small businesses. And if you're thinking of starting your own, to go for it. That's the latest here in East Williamsburg. Lindsay Tanny, News 12.